Hey everyone, so this is the beginning of my international trade playlists. This is section 3.1 of the IB economics syllabus, international economics section. In this first video of Unit 3.1, I'm going to be talking about the benefits of trade, which can sometimes be referred to as the arguments for free trade. That will make more sense when we get to protectionism. These are often presented as the arguments for free trade. So let's get started. So there must be a reason why countries trade with one another, and there must be benefits to trading freely, having free trade between them. Economists refer to these as the gains from trade. Now, what does your IB economic syllabus require you to understand and be able to explain? So it says, explain that the gains from trade include, number one, lower prices for consumers. Absolutely. When you open your country to international competition, this leads to more and more competitors, which would push down prices. So consumers are better off because they benefit from lower prices. Another advantage or another gain from trade is greater choice for consumers. Again, consumers are better off because they have lower prices and a greater variety of goods and services. You can now buy bananas from Brazil, bananas from Ecuador, bananas from Australia, in addition to bananas produced in your home country. So you have greater choice, you have more variety. The third gain from trade is the ability of producers to benefit from economies of scale. Remember, economies of scale is the cost savings that come from an increase in the size of the market that you are serving. When your country opens up to free trade, producers within that country now have access to a much bigger market size, and therefore they can benefit from economies of scale. So producers will benefit from that. Another advantage is the ability to acquire needed resources. If your domestic producers require resources that are not readily available in your country, you now have the ability with free trade, it's easier for them to acquire those needed resources. So that's another benefit. It leads to a more efficient allocation of resources. Economists are obsessed with competition. The more competitive businesses and industries are, the more incentives they have to be efficient. So everyone's better off when there's efficient allocation of resources. It also leads to more or increased competition. Increased competition is good because it drives businesses to improve the quality of their products, and it also pushes prices down. The last thing is it is a source of foreign exchange. Okay, so governments also benefit from free trade because this provides the country with a source of much needed foreign exchange. Why do you think countries need foreign exchange? Well, they need foreign currencies to be able to go and purchase foreign goods and services from other countries. So these are all the gains from trade, or the benefits of free trade. Consumers benefit from lower prices and greater choice. Producers benefit from bigger market sizes, and therefore they can benefit from economies of scale and the ability to acquire resources that might not be available or produced domestically. The whole economy, the whole world economy, benefits from a more efficient allocation of resources and an increased level of competition. And of course, countries, it's a source of foreign exchange, foreign currencies, for them to be able to take those currencies and go buy goods and services from other countries. So these are the benefits of free trade. Look out. The next video, I'll explain absolute and comparative advantage. Have a good one.